Imagine a life where you're not shackled by financial constraints, where money serves you and you're not serving it. This isn't a far-off fantasy, it's a potential reality. It's called financial freedom, and it's a journey that begins with a single step. Picture it as a staircase, with each step representing a level of financial freedom. Today we're going to introduce you to the 9 levels of this staircase. Each one a powerful wealth secret that can unlock new possibilities in your life. These are not just concepts, but practical strategies that can transform your relationship with money and ultimately your life. Embarking on this journey is a decision, a commitment to yourself and your future. Are you ready? Every journey begins with a destination in mind, and the road to financial freedom is no different. As we traverse the path towards financial autonomy, setting clear and realistic financial goals becomes our compass, guiding us through the complexities of wealth creation. Imagine your financial journey as a 3-stage rocket. The first stage, your short-term goals, propels you off the ground. These are the immediate objectives, like saving for a vacation or paying off a small debt. Next, your mid-term goals form the second stage. These goals might involve saving for a down payment on a home or setting aside funds for your child's education. Finally, the third stage, your long-term goals, catapults you into the financial stratosphere. These are your retirement plans, your dreams of financial independence. Each stage is crucial, each goal significant. They provide direction, focus, and a sense of accomplishment as each one is achieved. Your financial goals serve as your roadmap, leading you towards your financial freedom. The chains of debt can anchor you to financial stagnancy. It can feel like a burden, a constant reminder of money that needs to be repaid. But remember, debt reduction is not an insurmountable challenge. It's a journey that starts with a single step. Consider employing strategies like the snowball or avalanche method. The snowball method involves paying off your smallest debts first, gradually tackling larger ones, thereby gaining momentum as each debt is cleared. On the other hand, the avalanche method prioritizes your highest interest debts first, reducing the overall interest you pay over time. Both strategies have their merits, and it's essential to select the one that best fits your financial situation and mindset. But regardless of the method you choose, the objective remains the same: to break free from the chains of debt. Reducing debt is not just about freeing up money, it's about freeing up your mind and your future. In the journey of wealth creation, always expect the unexpected. The unexpected in this case refers to financial emergencies. These are inevitable and can strike anyone, anytime. That's where an emergency fund comes into play. Think of it as your financial shock absorber. It's money set aside to cover large, unexpected expenses like a sudden job loss, a major car repair, or a serious health issue. It gives you the peace of mind knowing you're prepared for these unpredictable situations. So how do you start building one? Start small. Set aside a fraction of your income each month. Make it a habit. As you reduce your debts and increase your income, gradually increase the amount you save. Aim to build a fund that can cover your expenses for 3 to 6 months. Remember, it's not about the amount you save, but the habit of saving. An emergency fund is your financial safety net, catching you when life throws a curveball. I hope you're enjoying the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content to help you achieve your wealth goals. Just as a tree bends with the wind to avoid breaking, so must your financial plan be flexible. It's not just about setting financial goals and sticking to them religiously. Life is unpredictable, and your financial journey should be capable of adapting to changes. Imagine you're driving a car. You have your destination set, but as you move, traffic may build up, accidents might occur, or you may find a quicker route. Similarly, your financial plan should be adjustable. Perhaps your income increases or decreases, you might start a family, or a global pandemic might hit. All these are reasons to revisit and adjust your financial plan. Flexibility also means diversifying your income streams and investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. This way, if one basket breaks, you still have others to rely on. Remember, it's about your ability to adapt to changes while keeping your end goals in sight. Financial freedom is not a rigid path, it's an adaptable journey. Investing is the key that unlocks the door to wealth creation. It's the 6th level in our journey to financial freedom. When we talk about investing, we're talking about taking control of your hard-earned money and directing it towards avenues that can grow it. It's like planting a seed and nurturing it to grow into a towering tree. Investing can take many forms. You might invest in stocks, bonds, real estate, or even a new business venture. The choice is yours, but the principle remains the same. You're putting your money to work in a way that has the potential to increase its value over time. Remember, investing isn't about getting rich quick. It's about strategic, informed decisions that grow your wealth steadily and surely. It's about understanding the market, assessing risks, and seizing opportunities when they arise. So let's take a step towards making our money work harder, because remember, investing is not just about making money, it's about making your money work for you. It's not just about how much you save, but also about how much you earn. When it comes to increasing your income, there are several strategies you can adopt. One way is through side hustles. These are jobs or projects you take on in addition to your full-time job. They could range from freelance writing to dog walking or even selling handmade items online. Then there's passive income, an income stream that requires little to no effort to maintain. This could be from rental income, dividends from investments, or royalties from a book you've written. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of career advancement. Whether it's asking for a raise, seeking a promotion, or switching to a higher-paying job, these steps can significantly boost your income. Remember, it's not just about working harder, but also smarter. By diversifying your income streams and maximizing your earning potential, you're building a solid financial foundation. Increasing your income is an integral part of your journey to financial freedom. Wealth creation is not a sprint, it's a marathon. This statement may sound cliché, but it is the absolute truth when it comes to building wealth. The journey to financial success is a long one, requiring patience, consistency, and a clear vision. One of the crucial elements to understand in this journey is the value of patience. Patience is not just about waiting. It's about being disciplined enough to save and invest, even when instant gratification tempts you. It's about understanding that wealth isn't built overnight, but over years and decades of smart decisions and diligent work. Alongside patience, consistency is your most powerful ally in wealth building. Consistency means making a plan and sticking to it, regardless of market fluctuations or personal circumstances. It's about investing regularly, whether the market is up or down. It's about continuously learning, adapting, and growing your financial knowledge and capabilities. Now let's talk about one of the most potent forces in wealth creation: compound interest. Often referred to as the eighth wonder of the world, compound interest is the process where your interest earns interest, thereby exponentially increasing your wealth over time. It's the reason why someone who starts saving and investing early in their career can end up wealthier than someone who starts late, even if the late starter saves more. Here's the magic of compound interest. If you start with a small amount and let it grow over time, it can turn into a substantial sum. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but as it rolls down, it gathers more snow and becomes bigger and bigger. That's how your wealth can grow too. But remember, wealth building is not just about accumulating money, it's about creating a legacy. It's about building something that can outlive you, something that can benefit not just you, but your loved ones and even your community. It's about the freedom and security that wealth can bring, allowing you to live life on your terms. So keep running that marathon with patience and consistency and watch your wealth grow. Financial independence is the summit of your financial freedom journey. It's the point where your wealth works for you instead of you working for your wealth. It's when your income from investments and savings can sustain your lifestyle without the need for active work. It's the ultimate level of financial freedom. But what does financial independence truly mean? It's about more than just numbers on a bank statement. It's about peace of mind, knowing you're secure no matter what life throws at you. It's about freedom, the ability to make choices based on what makes you fulfilled, rather than what pays the bills. Imagine waking up each morning knowing that the day is yours to shape as you wish. No more stress over financial commitments, no more being tied down to a job you don't love. That's the beauty of financial independence. But remember, financial independence is not the end of the journey, but the beginning of a life of choice and freedom. Your mindset is the compass that guides your financial journey. In the grand scheme of financial freedom, your mindset plays a pivotal role. It's the master key that unlocks the door to wealth. A wealth mindset isn't about being fixated on dollar signs or becoming a millionaire overnight. No, it's about cultivating a growth-oriented perspective, a sense of abundance that transcends the confines of your bank account. It's about understanding that wealth is not an end goal but a journey that involves learning, growing, and embracing the concept of delayed gratification. It's about seeing opportunities where others see obstacles, about understanding that every setback is a setup for a comeback. A wealth mindset is about resilience in the face of adversity, about being proactive rather than reactive. It's about recognizing that wealth is more than just financial prosperity. It's about overall well-being, about living a life of purpose and fulfillment. A wealth mindset is not about the money you have, but about the beliefs and attitudes you hold. The journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. Indeed, it's a long, rewarding journey that requires patience, discipline, and a robust plan. Remember, financial freedom is not a destination, but a journey. You need to believe in yourself and take action. Start your journey today and build a life of choice, freedom, and wealth. Please like and subscribe for more content to help you achieve financial freedom. I will see you in the next video.